Realistic aesthetic. Unlike other cheap-looking moon lamps, ours went through a careful 26+ hours 3D printing process to make sure every crater on the surface looks identical to NASA's satellite images. Made of durable superior PLA, the optimal material for 3D printing. Your kid will reach for the moon. Light your child's room or nursery with a soothing glow. We listened to parents' opinions and upgraded the battery to last up to 15 hours on one charge, more than your phone. Leave it on the entire night if your little one is afraid of the dark. Simply comfort them with our kid-friendly soft glowing moon nightlight. Convenient touch remote control allow you to choose between 16 dimmable colors, 5 working modes, 5 stages of brightness. Our mood light will make your ambient cozy, romantic or peaceful. Just dim it how you need it and enjoy. Moonlight as a gift. Looking for a unique useful present for the women in your life? What about those adults who have everything? Our moon ball will impress your mom, wife, best friend or girlfriend. It's ideal for birthday gifts, housewarming party, baby shower. Fly your loved ones to the moon. Actions over words. If you ever have an issue, simply contact us, we will make it right. Gift recipients can also contact us for help. Our team is striving to deliver superstar customer service. We are always here to help. Top reviews from the United States. Way better than I thought. I want one now. This was such a nice present for my girlfriend and the battery life lasted for way longer than what advertised. Really easy to set up and is incredibly beautiful. I want one for myself now as the 3D printing looks exactly like the moon, it's insane.